All right, another day down, another week down. We got this completely finished. It's a lovely minwax stain with a satin finish on it. And this room's completely done. We got all the trim on. We got it all painted, got the floors in. They're just looking beautiful. Hickory, distressed. 5.5, 6 inches wide. It's looking lovely. And kind of do a little walkthrough here. We've got this, there was a wall right here. Took it out. Patched it up, completely covered it up. It looks amazing. And look how flat it is. It's flat all the way through. No humps, no nothing. Put in all new lighting. Put in a new beam. Took out this bulkhead here, this nasty bulkhead. Just put a beam in there. We'll wrap it with some solid oak. The wall here, right there, took that wall out completely. And now we're running straight all the way through here. No walls, no nothing. This is all going to be kitchen. There was an entryway right here. Look at that, flat, all the way through. Nice and looking good. And we spent all day today in here painting, getting this all painted, textured, refinished, getting it all finished up. Went up the hallway and right over popcorn ceiling, right over it. And this looks amazing. 2 coats of mud and we're good to go. So that's a wrap for the week.